Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an LLC to your advantage. An LLC shields your personal belongings, like your home and savings, from business liabilities. This vital separation means if your business faces a lawsuit or debt, your personal assets remain secure. Furthermore, an LLC offers a flexible operating structure, providing significant benefits for many small business owners. One of the most compelling reasons to form an LLC is the robust protection it offers for your personal assets. Should your business encounter financial difficulties or legal challenges, your personal savings, car, and home are generally safe. For instance, if a business loan defaults, your personal credit remains unaffected. This distinct legal separation provides immense peace of mind for entrepreneurs. Beyond asset protection, LLCs provide significant tax flexibility that can save you money. By default, profits and losses pass directly through to your personal income, avoiding double taxation. You also have the option to elect S-corporation status, which can allow you to pay yourself a reasonable salary and distribute the remaining profits, potentially lowering your overall self-employment tax burden by several hundred or even a few $1,000s annually. An LLC designation also significantly boosts your business's professional image. Customers and partners often perceive an LLC as a more legitimate and stable entity compared to a sole proprietorship. This professional appearance can be crucial when applying for business loans, negotiating with suppliers, or even signing up for merchant accounts. Establishing an LLC signals a serious commitment to your venture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.